I'm Shira Fisher, Hydronic Specialist at RJ Murray, and I just want to show you something that's pretty cool today. I mean, everyone likes flexible gas line, right? I mean, I do. I mean, maybe some people think it's pretty boring, but this stuff, this is definitely not boring. So, I want to talk to you about ProFlex. The magic with ProFlex is in its connector. Looking just like this, you open it and you are going to find first ring, have our second ring, and in here we have our O-ring, and then here's a little gasket. And all of these work together to create a very good seal. Now, ProFlex does not need any specialty tools. You can just use a regular pipe cutter, and you can use a utility knife. What we need to do is cut this jacket back 4 ridges. Now let's show you how this works. The first thing you want to do is you want to put this guy back on here so you don't drive yourself crazy putting it together. You take that C-ring, you open it up a little bit and put it on the 4th rib, just like so, and push it together. Next, you put on this guy, the complete ring, just as a retainer, and then you can use this. This is an O-ring loader. Just slide it over and slides the O-ring right in place. Super easy, right? So this is basically what you can do at your truck. Put it together. This protects the end of it. It protects it from anything getting in it. And you just take this and you put it in your pocket. This gasket's not going to come out, and you're good to go. Now, when you're putting it together, you push this guy up, put this guy on top, turn, and you just turn it in. Now, it does not matter how strong you are, it's going to be hand tight plus a half turn with tools. And then there you go. So, how great is this to put together? Let me put this to the test. We have a nice little demo rig right here. You can see this is off right now. Let's see if I can just get this to hold pressure hand tight. Again, hand tight plus half turn with tools. But let's just see what this stuff can do, right? Now, little known fact is I don't work in the field anymore, and the reason being is I fell and broke my arm in 3 places. You can see some scars here. So I don't have a full hand here. This guy just don't do much. This one's good. Righty's good. Lefty has a mind of his own. So let's see if what I can do hand tight with a fully functioning arm, and the lefty is a little spotty. So I am going to pump this up, see if we can hold pressure, and we are holding about right here, about 22.5 psi. Not bad, right? So one thing I'd like to point out is this cut right here. Of course, in the field, we always try to do our best to make everything clean, but this is not the cleanest cut in the world. And still, this pipe was able to hold pressure, and the magic is in this O-ring here because the connection is actually made here at the bottom, not at the top here. Now imagine what your installers can do. Imagine what you can do with the ease of this product. Available here at RJ Murray.